Polaris has long been a leader in off-road performance, but with the introduction of the RZR Pro R Factory, they've raised the bar even higher. This race-ready side-by-side is now available for purchase, allowing both racers and off-road enthusiasts to own a machine that was once exclusive to the Polaris RZR Factory racing team. The RZR Pro R Factory was first introduced in 2023 and was immediately taken to the prestigious Dakar Rally, where it proved its worth by taking the top spot in the 2025 Dakar Rally's SSV class. This victory marked a major milestone for the UTV, and now, after dominating in the world of racing, it is available to the public, with a price tag of $139,999. So, what makes the Polaris RZR Pro R Factory such an exceptional vehicle? For starters, it is based on the RZR Pro R, a model that has already garnered attention for its incredible performance. The Pro R Factory, however, goes a step further with a range of race-inspired modifications that make it one of the most powerful and durable UTVs ever produced. At the heart of the RZR Pro R Factory is the ProStar Fury HO 2.0 engine, which delivers an impressive 255 horsepower. This power is essential for traversing desert dunes and other rough terrains, and the engine is equipped with features such as a rear-mounted radiator, an integrated transmission oil cooler, and dual 500W fans to handle the heat. The RZR Pro R Factory's chassis is equally impressive. It's built with a one-piece, high-strength steel frame and is shielded by carbon fiber body panels. This combination of materials provides a balance of strength and lightweight performance, allowing the vehicle to glide over rough terrain with ease. To further enhance its off-road capabilities, the UTV features a race-spec MaxLink suspension system that incorporates Fox shocks and Dynamics DV semi-active components, along with a Baja mode setup. These suspension elements are crucial for keeping the vehicle stable and capable of handling the harshest environments. When it comes to the tires, the RZR Pro R Factory is equipped with massive 35-inch BF Goodrich KR2 tires wrapped around Method 407 bead grip wheels. These tires offer exceptional traction and durability, even in the most challenging desert conditions. Stopping power is another area where the RZR Pro R Factory excels, thanks to its Alcon brakes, which provide the stopping force needed when navigating rough, high-speed environments. Another standout feature of the RZR Pro R Factory is its fuel tank, which holds 130 liters of fuel. This is critical for long races and off-road adventures, ensuring the vehicle can go the distance without worrying about refueling in the middle of nowhere. Inside the cabin, the RZR Pro R Factory is outfitted with Kevlar Sparco seats, which provide comfort and durability during long, rugged rides. For those looking to purchase the RZR Pro R Factory, it's clear that Polaris is targeting race teams and serious off-road enthusiasts. The price tag of $139,999 reflects the high-end nature of this machine. It's a significant jump from the civilian RZR Pro R Race Replica Limited Edition, which is priced at $49,999, but the Pro R Factory is a much more specialized, race-oriented version of the already impressive Pro R. Polaris will produce just 30 units for 2025, making it a limited edition vehicle with a truly exclusive feel. Polaris has partnered with Scanlon Clark Industries to help build the RZR Pro R Factory, ensuring that these vehicles will be assembled with the highest standards of technical expertise and quality. Polaris also promises that the RZR Pro R Factory will be an annual offering, allowing more customers the chance to own this incredible desert racing weapon in the future. The RZR Pro R Factory is truly a beast of a machine, designed for those who demand the best in off-road performance. Whether you're a race team looking for a competitive edge or an off-road enthusiast who wants to own the ultimate UTV, the RZR Pro R Factory is ready to take on whatever challenges you throw its way.